Hi, everyone. I'm Miss
everybody.
Nikki
Hi.
at Smyrna Public Library. I have Library Associate Autumn with me today. We're very excited to have her here. We also happen to be wearing matching Tails and Tails shirts for our summer reading theme. We would like to thank those of you that are here live with us for joining us on Zoom. We are recording today's session, but this is Blind as a Bat Tuesday Teen Taste Test. Say that really fast 3 times. It's kind of hard.
Mouthful.
Yeah.
Why does it that teenage taste test? I can't even say it the one time.
So today we will be trying Pringles. I have some fun facts about Pringles today. I do strongly recommend that between flavors, you go ahead and take a drink of water, clean your palate. Miss Autumn remembered to bring water today, just because we've got some very interesting flavors, and you want to be able to taste the full flavor in between tastings. So if you are following along at home, we are going to start with number 1. So in your white bag, go ahead and look for the bag labeled number 1. If you want to grab that one, here is where you are welcome to open that bag, take a smell, make some observation if you note any colors or scents or anything specific about that particular flavor. Let's see if you can take a guess.
Okay.
Before you even taste it, what do you think number 1 might be? And
I have guesses.
Taylor, you're welcome to throw your guesses in chat or unmute yourself, whatever you're more comfortable with. Miss Autumn, what do you think it is?
Sour cream and onion.
Okay, we have a guess of sour cream and onion before you even tried it.
Maybe salt and vinegar. Definitely has a smell.
Okay.
All right.
Feel free to try it.
I'm gonna lick it.
Oh, Taylor is already guessing. Dill pickle.
Yeah. I taste the pickle.
So in order to prepare for these, I had to look up, I was trying to Google how many Pringles come in a can. Take a guess how many Pringles come in 1 can.
100.
On average, it is about 100. But when I was looking that up to figure out how many to buy and how many to bag, I found some other fun facts. But now that you have tried number 1, I would like to confirm that yes, it is exactly dill pickle Pringles.
Good job, Taylor.
Is this a flavor you would eat again, Taylor? What about you, Autumn? Would you eat this flavor again?
Maybe, but I know my son would because he likes pickles.
You're a pickle fan. I'm not a pickle. I'm not a big pickle person.
I like a gherkin. A sweet
gherkin.
little gherkin. I'm a gherkin fan.
Yeah. So speaking of fun facts about Pringles, do you know that the man on the Pringles cans, this face, he has his own name? In all of his mustachio goodness, his name is Julius Pringles. Oh, so he actually has a name, Julius Pringles. All right, so number 1 again was dill pickles. Go ahead and remember, take a drink, cleanse that palate. Let's get a sense of what number 2 is. Number 2 also appears the same. I think both of these could pass as original based on just looking at them. They don't have any like coloring or anything on them. All right, number 2, do you want to take a smell and take a guess?
This one doesn't have an overpowering smell at all. So it might be like a muted flavor. Not a bold one. Tastes kind of sweet.
Taylor, any smells or flavor guesses?
Yeah, where's my buddy? He's pretty quick on the draw of what these are.
Hamburger. Okay.
I don't know. It's not an overpowering taste, so like dill pickle is overpowering.
I have to say, I had bought this flavor at Walmart before we did this teen taste test, and I ate the whole can. So yeah, I would agree this one isn't super strong. I mean, I like it, but it's a flavor that I like.
Is it I don't know. I'm stumped.
It's a dip.
Or like a French onion dip?
No, but you're close. Kind of. It's something you dip it. I dip my chicken nuggets in this.
Ooh, ranch?
No.
Honey mustard?
It is. It is honey mustard.
Well, I would never get that. I'm a
big honey mustard person. So
this is good. I would eat this again.
I did eat this whole can. I was fine with this one. Not too spicy, not too strong, a little bit salty.
All right.
All right, we're gonna move on to number 3. We are going through these really quickly. You're welcome to try 2 or more chips, Miss Autumn. So number 3, again, number 3 in your bags. This one would also probably pass as a regular looking Pringle. So while there are 100 Pringles in a can on average, I watched a whole YouTube video where somebody took them out one at a time and counted them. There are over 100 Pringles flavor worldwide, including some really funky flavors. Funky mustard, ketchup, prawn cocktail or like shrimp cocktail, cinnamon sweet potato, blueberry hazelnut, lemon and sesame, kickin' chicken taco.
Oh, that might be good.
Dill pickle, hot diggity dog, and pigs in a blanket is a flavor of Pringles. All right, number 3, do we smell anything?
Again, not very overpowering smell. Ooh, this is salty.
That's number 3. I don't remember what half of these are. I'd be interested to try this one.
I really suck at taste test.
Taylor, any guesses for this one, or what do you think it smells like?
I think it's a chicken flavor.
It does not taste good. Taylor does not like this one. Fair enough. I was interested in this flavor, but I have not got to try all of these.
It's salty. I think it's chicken.
Chicken?
Sure.
Taylor, any guesses?
You could put gross. That's a flavor.
Nope. No flavor. This one is roasted garlic and Parmesan. Or Parmesan and roasted garlic. I said that backwards.
I would probably eat that. Again, it's not overpowering. You expect to know these flavors by their taste, and then it's like,
All right. Are we ready for number 4? Before we actually go to number 4, yeah, take a break. So in my fun fact search, so I have this image of the Pringles can. Now, when you get an actual can, it's slightly different, right? His face looks a little different, but you'll notice that like in the image, there are Pringles in the logo itself. So first I'd like to point out right over the eye on Pringles,
oh,
that's
yeah.
a Pringle. If you look at the mustache, it's actually like 2 Pringles rocking on the table.
Sweet.
His eyebrows could even be said, and in this it's his eyebrows. On this image, it's his hair. But you could even say these are both Pringles. So they're very clever in how they tied like Pringles into the logo.
That's cool.
All right, are we ready?
New every day. Yep.
Ready for number 4?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so number 4 does have some color to it. Okay, so not a regular Pringle.
Nope.
This is not one I would try. I have no interest in this flavor whatsoever.
It smells barbecue-y.
Taylor, any smells or guesses?
I shouldn't have done that.
was it dry or strong?
It's dry.
Like the seasoning.
And strong. Whew. But I can't. It's ketchup. It tastes like ketchup.
Taylor, what do you think? Ketchup. It is in fact ketchup, and I am allergic to ketchup, so I had no interest in this one whatsoever. Are you a big ketchup person?
No, not really. I like to dip my fries in mayonnaise.
Okay. Taylor, are you a big ketchup person? My sister puts ketchup on her mashed potatoes, on her pancakes, on her French fries. My sister would eat ketchup with dirt, like dirt with some ketchup.
My son would eat.
I am definitely a mustard person, not a ketchup person.
I like mustard too.
Yeah.
I need to stop eating that. No.
All right, we're gonna go to number 5. Number 5, we're going back to looking like a regular Pringle. It could pass as a regular Pringle. Now, I am excited for this flavor, but I did not get to try it. We noticed any smells?
Subtle smell. I know this, but I can't. I see it, but I can't. I forgot the word. Words are hard.
Taylor, any guesses?
Barbecue? Oh, no, barbecue's different.
Now, this was one I found at the Walmart in Antioch. We did
Ooh.
not have it at our Smyrna Walmart, so I had to go to the one in Antioch. But this is one you should be able to buy on the shelf every day.
Chicken?
The ketchup one I had to order on Amazon. I
Oh.
couldn't find it here. But this one is supposedly an everyday flavor. The can is purple.
And it
That
tastes-
doesn't tell you. Taylor says original. Now I'm kind of
No.
disappointed. This one is a flavor, but it might not have a good flavor.
Man, I can see it. I don't know.
Are you ready?
Yep. And then I can kick
This
myself.
is
Onion ring.
fried onion ring. Fried onion ring. Taylor says it tastes like nothing.
I know, right?
All right, we have one more to taste, but before we get to that one, I have my final fun fact. So somebody, in fact, invented these Pringle tubes, right? He was a chemist and food storage technician named Frederick J. Bauer, and he was the inventor of the iconic tall cylinder Pringle can. At some point in the 1980s, Bauer's family initially laughed him off when he said he wanted to be buried in his invention. But when he did die, his children honored his wish and put his ashes in a Pringles can and buried it. My siblings and I briefly debated what flavor to use, Larry Bauer told Time magazine. But I said, look, we need to use the original. So he was buried in an original tube of Pringles.
Wow.
So number 6, I hope that it survived the trip to your house. As you can see, this is our sample one that gets bagged when yours get bagged. This one had to get shipped from Amazon, and most of them came crunchy in the container. So I hope you have at least one good Pringle in there, but I would say this one also looks like a standard Pringle.
Right.
So we will try this flavor and see what we
Let me
think.
get that.
Yes, cleanse your palate between flavors. Let me know what you think.
Pringle cans are also good for art projects.
Yes, and storage.
We made a puppet out of a Pringles can for one of my sons.
Taylor is guessing pigs in a blanket. Okay.
It's interesting. No.
Autumn does not like this one.
No.
I will be honest, I've never eaten this food, so I don't know what it tastes like. I feel like based on what it's called, I know what it would taste like, but I've never.
Tastes like bacon, but if you've never eaten bacon, it's sad.
No, I've eaten bacon, so I guess
So
I'd
I
be
was
giving it
wrong.
away. No,
I'll go with Taylor. Taylor, pigs in a blanket.
pigs in a blanket.
Mhm.
Okay. This is rotisserie chicken.
Oh, wow.
I have never eaten rotisserie chicken in my life.
I've never eaten
Um,
any that taste like this.
I wonder if there's a bacon flavor in there. I will also say that right after I bought all of these, there was an ad that Target had a new special flavor, and it's Wendy's spicy chicken flavor Pringles, and they're really good. I was on a road trip this weekend and I ate like half the can, but I can only eat like 4 at a time, and then I need a big glass of water.
Yeah.
And there's another one out if you're a video gamer. I think it's called Moa Burger. I got those because I was interested, but Moa, I believe, is a creature in a video game. So it's
Oh,
like
really?
a completely hypothetical character. But those are both interesting flavors. So in
That
my
is.
quest for finding Pringles flavors, I discovered there were a lot.
I know. They come out like one a week, and it's like, oh, hey, what's the new one?
So are there any flavors you would never eat again? Not in a million years. Taylor, same question to you. Are there any that you would like never eat again? Not
Ketchup.
happening.
Ketchup.
Ketchup? Okay.
The rest aren't too overpowering, except for the dill pickle. I may eat that again.
I'm seeing if Taylor has a not happening. Garlic Parmesan. That's what Taylor was like, nope, not this one.
That didn't
Not
taste
good.
like anything, so I could eat that.
Okay. Did you have a favorite from today? Taylor? What do you think, Autumn? Which one was your favorite?
I like the garlic parmesan because it didn't taste like anything. It was like,
That
it was
Autumn's
interesting.
favorite. Taylor, did you have a favorite?
I like the rotisserie chicken.
Now that you know what it is. Honey
Yeah.
mustard. Yeah, I like the honey mustard. That's one I could eat like a year from now. I could be like, some honey mustard Pringles sounds good. These other ones, I'm like, I'm not sure.
Do you know they're not a chip? They're a crisp.
Yes, because they're not actually fried.
Right.
Yes. Look at this
So-
Autumn bringing fun
So they
facts.
might be actually healthier for you. Minus all that salt.
Supposedly that, and if you can actually only stick to a serving. Any guesses how many Pringles are in a serving?
2.
No, it is
Oh, whoa.
roughly 14 to 15, depending on which flavor, because some flavors have more calories than other. I can never just eat 15. I just like reach in the can and grab a stack, right?
Right.
And then another stack, and then
Nice.
another stack. Except the Wendy's spicy chicken one. I can only eat 4 at a time, and then my mouth is on fire.
Oh, wow.
Um,
None of them were spicy.
no, the only spicy thing we had was last week was the hot tamale peeps. Because I was worried. I didn't want to burn anybody's taste buds off and not have them come back all summer.
Wow.
Well, thank you, Autumn,
This
for
was
hanging out with
fun.
us today. And thank you, Taylor, for joining us live on Zoom.
Thank
We
you.
appreciate those of you that were able to watch our videos this summer, whether you watched with us live or you watched them on YouTube afterwards. And if you have any guesses for today, if you've done them at home and you're watching this video later, feel free to send me your guesses. But again, I've shown them all in this video. So thanks for watching and hanging out with us this summer. Don't forget that there's still time to sign up for summer reading. There's still time to come pick up your prizes. The last day to pick up prizes is July 23rd. If you have any younger siblings at home or you're interested, don't forget our grand finale is next Wednesday, July 14th from 10 to noon. So come have a dance party with
Oh,
us
that'd be fun.
outside with DJ Jandy.
Dance party. Woohoo.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.